Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Behringer UMC202HD setup. First, connect your UMC202HD to your computer using the included USB 2.0 cable. This provides both power and data transfer. Next, download and install the dedicated ASIO driver from Behringer's website. This driver is crucial for achieving low latency and high-quality audio recording. Finally, verify that your computer's sound settings recognize the UMC202HD as the primary input and output device. Now let's connect your audio sources. For microphones, use an XLR cable and plug it into either input 1 or 2. If you're using a condenser microphone, remember to press the plus 48-volt phantom power button. For instruments like guitars or basses, use a 1/4-inch TRS or TS cable and plug it into the remaining input. The UMC202HD offers 2 high-quality Midas-designed preamps. Proper monitoring is essential for a good recording experience. Connect your studio monitors to the 2 1/4-inch output jacks on the rear of the interface. For private listening, plug your headphones into the 1/4-inch jack on the front. Use the large main-level knob to control your speaker volume and the dedicated phone's knob for your headphone level. This allows independent control for mixing and tracking. Finally, integrate your UMC202HD with your preferred digital audio workstation, or DAW. Open your DAW's audio settings and select the Behringer UMC202HD as your input and output device. Create new audio tracks and arm them for recording. Use the gain knobs on the interface to set appropriate input levels, aiming for signals around -6 to -12 decibels to avoid clipping. You are now ready to record high-quality audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.